Halo teman-teman, sobat PLS lovers. Hari ini kita akan bertanding di Tier 5 ya, di Dream League Live. Mohon teman-teman untuk bantu subscribe channel ini ya. Terima kasih.
The two sets of fans are in voice for this. And the match kicks off. Chouameni in possession. And he's won it back for his team. And this is Rashford. Lovely bit of skill there. Haaland shoots. So close, it's hit the bar. Upamecano with the ball. Oh, the player felt that one. Oh, it's a straight red. He's off. And now De Bruyne. Keeper's ball. And this is Rashford. That's nicely played. Well timed then, great defending. Great understanding between this team. He's speeding ahead. Hakimi with his great run. Chouameni tackles. So this player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch. And the keeper catches the header. Did well to win the ball back. Harry Kane. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Lovely goal. And he's put them in front here after some great play. Will they extend their lead further? Let's see the build-up which led to the goal. Griezmann. Oh, he can't quite believe it. Look at his teammates. He's put it in his own net. And we can see here just what happened. A look of devastation on the player's face as the ball goes into his own net. Lovely passing here. Kroos. The goal is beckoning. He was Sue on goal, but the keeper simply no messing about there. Clean finish. You've got to admire skill like that. What a fantastic volleyed finish. Well, an eventful. Off, it's 2-1 with the scoreline so close. It'll be interesting to see who scores next. Harry Kane, can he put it away? Oh, it's in. That goal, his second of the match. That's a goal he'll want to see again and again, and a short strike from this great player. Here's De Bellingham on the run. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. He gets the goal. Great play. He battled hard and has been rewarded with his first goal of the game. They're kicking off after that goal. Will they change their approach to this match, though? Van Dijk with a tackle. A long-distance pass. Mbappe. A careless pass there. They're moving the ball about so well. Haaland drives forward. Is this a goal? Good save. It was heading goalwards. Mbappe. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. And he hits it. It was one-on-one, but the goalkeeper closed him down. Chouameni in possession. Now it's Vinicius. It looks like they're going to win the game. Oh, confident defending. The game seems to be mostly played in the losing team's half. Time for a change of tactics, perhaps. He's got the ball and is in full sprint. He's broken through. He's in the clear and going for... They've done it! They've drawn level. Well, his teammates were starting to look frustrated there. Once the ball found the back of the net, the stadium and players erupted. What a brilliant individual goal. Chouameni in possession. Oh, well intercepted. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. They're racing forward. There's not long left till the final whistle. It's full time. Well, for me, that's the correct decision. He's put in 100% and gets the Player of the Match award.
Hello, genius.